that means cute. But did I pronounce it right? Or is there a silent letter? Ayo, ayo. Is it silent? I don't know. Anong tawag sa haircut ko? Hala? Ang dami kong hindi alam pala sa sarili ko, no? Hindi ko alam ang tawag sa haircut ko. Sa totoo lang, nagpakita lang ako ng picture. Sabi ko, gusto ko yung may onting layer. So, I guess you call that layered. Pero hindi yung sobrang layer dahil hindi ko siya kayang i-maintain by myself. Out in California. Thank you. Can you say 괜찮아, 괜찮아요? Feeling. What's your secret in having good skin? I think my genes play a big role in that. I'm very blessed because my mom has really good skin. So, kaya siguro hindi masyadong naging problem for me yung skin ko. Hindi siya sensitive or anything. I saw someone with a Chappell Roan name. Oh, your favorite Chappell Roan song? Girl, everything. Everything. She has a no skip album. How could you make me choose? Every Chappell Roan song is amazing. I love Chappell Roan. But fine, if I had to choose one, that's so hard. Shucks, it's so hard. Oh my god. Bias na lang. Sobrang bias ako sa casual. Knee deep in the passenger seat. It's one of the first picture. Also, do you picture me like I picture you? Half of the things I do when I picture you. Like, how does someone write a song about that? And it's so poetic, and it's so gorgeous, and it's so... I don't know, I love Chappell Roan. Love her. Thank you for asking. I got so excited. I love Chappell Roan. Please tell me more. I mean, ask me more. I love Chappell Roan. She's queen. Love the makeup. Hi, Red! Hi! How are you? Sobrang dami kong gustong bilhin na Kiko products ngayon kasi naka-sale, 'di ba? May buy one take one ba kayong sale? Pero hindi pa ako nakakapunta ng mall. Pero ang dami kong gustong bilhin. As always, madami akong gustong bilhin. Perfect mo na ang mapagtatagumpayan. Pero hindi ko na perfect right now. I'm sorry. Mapagtatagumpayan. Practice makes perfect. But nobody's perfect. So, why practice? Just kidding. Diyosa ng kagandahan. That's you, Justin. That's you. That's you. How do you control the sudden feeling of sadness? You know what? I've learned not to control it. It's useless to control it because later on you're going to feel it again. It's gonna hit you like a wave. It's gonna come and go no matter what. So I suggest just feel it. Just let it, ride the emotion until you feel better. Ako lang, that's something I learned na there's no sense in me trying to shove the feeling aside. And it helps me more just to feel it, Let it take its course. Let the emotion run its course until I feel better. Anong favorite mong kanta ni Taylor Swift? Isa pa yan, napakahirap naman sagutin. Pwedeng na lang, favorite as of July 27, 10:58 p.m. I super love The Smallest Man Who Ever Lived. Lalo na nung nakita ko yung performance niya sa Eras Tour. Female rage is real. Why you sent by someone who wanted me dead? Did you sleep with a gun underneath our bed? Were you writing a book? Were you a sleepless cell spy? Anong color ng contacts nyo? Pure hazel. Pure hazel from Air Optics na binili ko po from Vision Express. May grado po ito. 50 years with all the sweet classes. What's your eye makeup? This probably took a lot of products. But I saw her using a lot of Dasik, I think is a brand. Clio ba? I'm not sure if Clio or Romand, but I'm pretty sure that it is a Korean brand, if I'm not mistaken. Nagpapaiyak po PBB kanina. I know! Grabe na-stress ako kanina. Ang intense. Naawa ko sa kanila. Sabi ko, kuya, wow, first week pa lang. Ang bigat na. I mean, emotionally, ang dami na nilang napagdaanan. Ano bang ginawa namin ng first week namin sa PBB? Hindi ko na maalala. But it wasn't that heavy. Pero I'm sure napalitan naman na sila ng happiness kasi na-announce na yung twist na lahat naman sila ay pasok na as an official housemate. 90s crush. I wasn't born in the 90s, but can you give me an example? Para lang sure ako na tama ang nasa isip ko. Is Patrick Garcia a 90s crush person? Because he's one of my super crushes. I love Patrick Garcia. Do you have a broadcast channel? I do, pero nilalangaw na. I always forget about it. Sinisipon ka? No, wango ba ako? But parang ina-allergy ako right now. Me, audition ka sa Hollywood. I could actually picture you. Bagay ka, Dorn. Dorn? Bagay ka, Don. Thank you. Grabe. Siguro, grabing pangarap talaga yun kung makatungtong ng Hollywood. I wish. I hope that's written in the stars for me. But maybe, I also want to try Broadway. Maybe that's a foot in the door. Step in the door, no? Pero grabe din kasi yung Broadway. Ibang level din doon. Hindi ko rin alam kung kaya ko. Kaya din siguro. Saw you in EB. Mukha kang Barbie. What's EB? But thank you. What's EB? EB. Would you consider red hair again? Not in the near future. Kasi nahirapan akong tanggalin siya para maging brown. It took me like 5 or 6 sessions sa salon para mawala yung red and maging brown ulit. Nagpa-lip filler ba kayo? Ba't ako kinilig sa question? Kasi that means wala kayong lips ko, di ba? No, hindi ako nagpa-lip filler. It's perfectly overlined. Like, look at it. Sorry, may sugat. Mahilig kasi ako magbalat ng lips. But, it's literally just overlined. Like, if I remove this, wala na. Maliit na ulit yung lips ko. But, so cool. She used like 3 products just to overline the lips. Crazy. Motto in life, be the person your dog thinks you are. Does that make sense? Because, you know, our dogs look at us and think of us as like the greatest being, right? That our dogs love us unconditionally. So, live up to that expectation. Ang lapit, sorry. Ang lapit. Kinda wanna remove my makeup, but it's so nice that nanghihinayang ako. Pero gusto ko na magtanggal ng makeup. Sorry, their comments are a bit fast. Ang ganda ng dress mo kanina. Hindi po akin yun eh. I was styled by Patty Yap and I'm not sure kung saan galing yung dress. Ano po yung eyelashes? Napicturean ko yung ginamit sa akin na eyelashes. Sadly, I can't find it here. It's called Fall in Eyes. She got it from Korea, but I believe doon lang siya nakukuha. Trinay ko siya hanapin online, in every shopping app, hindi ko siya mahanap. So, I think sa Korea lang talaga siya nabibili. Pero ang ganda nga, oh. Slay. Ang laki ng bibig ko, nakakatuwa. Kadiri. E-beat bulaga. Oh, I think it's called EAT. Eat now. But thank you so much. Can you recommend a wedding song for me? Dapat your wedding song should be something you like. It should have the same story as your love story. It should be from your heart. I don't think I should make a suggestion. Dapat sa'yo talaga yan. How is it working with Jisoo? First time ko actually maka-encounter or maka-work ang isang actor from Korea, and grabe talaga their discipline. Honestly, medyo na-intimidate ako sa kanya kasi he's so very serious when nakita ko siya or na-observe ko siya. Talagang very professional, which is really great. He's very nice. Na-intimidate lang ako talaga, but he's very nice. Pag kinausap mo, tahimik lang siya. Natatakot din akong kausapin siya kasi natatakot ako. Parang feeling ko, hindi naman sa hindi niya ako maintindihan kasi he understands English very well. Pero ewan ko, di ko rin alam kung anong sasabihin ko sa kanya eh. Ang tangkad niya, yun lang masasabi ko. Pagkausap ko siya talagang, hello, nakataas talaga yung mukha ko sa kanya. Pero mabait siya, mabait niya. Ang galing, marami siyang insight kapag sa mga scenes namin, ganyan, galing. 11 PM na po, hindi ka pa inaantok. Hindi pa. Medyo, my sleep is, actually, speaking of sleep, syempre hindi nyo naman alam to, or karamihan sa inyo, hindi naman to alam. Pero, I have sleeping problems. Hindi ako, hirap ako matulog. Period. Hirap ako matulog. And first time ko kanina, first day ko sa sleep therapy. It was my first day. I'm very happy kasi finally I'm gonna get the help that I need para masolusyonan ko na itong problema ko sa pagtulog. Kasi grabe talaga ako nababaliw na dahil walang tulog. Lagi ka atang puyat. Sobra. Hindi nga lang puyat, ewan ko na kung ang tawag dito. Parang nagkaroon ako ng 1 week na kung bibilangin ko yung total hours of sleep, mabibilang ko sa isang kamay or even less. And that's not good. That's not healthy. Kaya sabi ko, hindi ko na to kaya. I need to go to the doctor na. And ayun, first session ko kanina. I'm so happy. Kailangan ko na lang siyang pagpatuloy para ma-rewire namin ang aking brain into sleeping like a normal person. Kakaisip kay KD, grabe no, kung kakaisip lang pala kay KD, di talaga ako makatulog. Wag naman. Overthinking, I think subconsciously. Kasi consciously, I try not to think. But I think subconsciously, sobrang kulit ng utak ko. Yun ang na-discover namin. Grabe ang likot ng utak ko. Kahit yung katawan ko super relaxed na or in a state of zen, my brain is just naka-energy drink. Grabe kung ano-anong iniisip. Sobrang kulit talaga. Like, I can't explain. Oh, I've done everything. I've listened to all the sleeping stuff, taken all the sleeping things. But iba na talaga. Like, dun ko na-realize na kailangan na ng medical attention kasi lahat na ginawa ko. Kaya nga, if meron sa inyo nakanood ng PBB namin before, lagi akong tulog sa araw. Kasi sa gabi, wala talaga. Like, umaga na, umangat na ang araw, wala, dilat pa rin ako. Wait lang, ang init, mag-on lang ako ng aircon, sorry. No gadgets sa gabi. Ay, na-try ko na rin po yan. I swear, I've tried everything. I'm desperate. So desperate. Kaya, nagpatingin ako sa doctor. And ayun nga, we're trying to figure out whether it's a psychological problem or a biological problem. So yeah, again, first session pa lang. So I don't think, hindi pa siya, it's impossible to solve in one session. Kasi yung case ko ay medyo malala na. But yeah. Mag-fasting ka para maayos? Like, what kind of fasting? Because I do intermittent fasting. Kailangan mo na mag-asawa para maimbing ang tulog mo, ha? Solusyon ba yun? Promise? Parang hindi ko naman kaya yun. Pero ba't sabi nung ibang may asawa, mas hindi daw sila nakatulog? Charot. Try magnesium glycinate. I've been taking that. I have it right here. I've been taking it. The problem though, kapag hindi ako makatulog, hindi talaga ako makatulog. Like, if I feel in my body na parang hindi tayo mag-sleep tonight, no matter what I take, I literally won't sleep. But, kapag alam kong makakatulog ako, kapag makakasleep ako, because of the magnesium, I believe it's because of the magnesium, deep sleep na. Kasi dati, kapag nakakasleep ako, putol-putol pa rin. Like, it's not deep. It's not restful. Try mo mag-yoga. I have tried that. Magnesium is a supplement. I will show you mine. Magnesium glycinate. I just know it helps you relax. Helps you... I'm no doctor, honestly, so I think Google and ask the doctor. Hindi ka nagkaka-eye bags? Sobrang grabe ang eye bags ko. OA. OA. Pag tinanggal ko tong makeup ko, you're gonna see a raccoon. Magdasal ka para matulog. Magdadasal po ako gabi-gabi. But, this is not religion related or it's not spiritual related. Again, it's biological or psychological. Nakakaiyak, hindi makatulog. Totoo, sobrang laking problema niya sa akin kasi thankfully high functioning ako. So, kaya kong maximum ko is 3 buong araw at gabi na walang tulog. Walang nap ha, walang micro nap, not even. Walang pikit-pikit. Like, fully awake for 3 nights straight. And I can still work. Alam nyo ba, nag-concert ako. Wala akong tulog, no, not even a minute. It's so hard. I'm just thankful that I am high functioning. But I swear, it takes a toll on you. My mental health, sobra siyang naaapektuhan kapag di ako nakakatulog. I feel alone. I feel so frustrated and desperate na everyone around me is asleep. I have no one to talk to because everyone is asleep. But why can't I sleep? Abnormal ba ako? Like, grabe na my brain. Kaya sabi ko talaga, oh, I need help. Kaya yun, first time ko sa therapy kanina, I'm so happy. It's not cheap. It's not cheap. But, it's an investment I need for sure. Kailangan ko na siya, kaya sige na, kahit mahal na, go. How do you even heal from a trauma? I'm not a psychiatrist or a psychologist. I don't know, honestly. Sometimes feeling mo naka-heal ka na and then something small triggers you and you feel like, oh, I'm back in square one. The pain feels like the day I was hurt, even though it's been months or years. I don't know. I don't have the perfect advice to give when healing with trauma. Because sometimes I think I'm healed, or it's been a long time and I'm like, oh, it's probably not that bad anymore, and then something triggers me and I'm like, ugh. I don't know, it's so hard. But I know that there are coping mechanisms you can try. Paano yung nagtitaping ka pa? Exactly. Nagtitaping ako. Hi Tita Nori, so cute. Nagtitaping ako, concert ako, lahat ginagawa ko ng walang tulog. It's crazy. Says GK, how is your heart right now? You know, Says, you're pretty familiar, and I think you're the one who is always worried about me and KD, if I'm right. If my memory is correct, you're always worried about us. Na if hindi kami mag-post together for a couple of days, you feel like hindi na kami okay. Don't worry. Don't stress about us. We're good. We're good. We're just chilling. But yeah, don't worry about us. Napansin ko lang na parang nasi-stress ka sa amin. As a love team, and as celebrities na may fan bases, I don't think we'd want you guys to be stressing over us. So, I promise kahit di kami mag-post, we're super good. Yeah. Sobrang peaceful lang namin na ayun ko, parang we don't feel the need to always show ourselves. No, I mean like, ewan ko, but there's just a different level of contentment. I wouldn't say we're super low-key, but a lot has changed and we just really like to keep certain things, you know, a little bit more private, a little bit more for us to enjoy. But that doesn't mean we're fighting or anything. Magkano po yung bowl? What bowl? This fish bowl? I think I got it for like 150 sa marketplace. I'm correct. I don't remember. Binili ko lang siya for a photo shoot. Di ko rin siya nagamit. Wala mang isda eh. Nakakamiss maging lamok. I know, guys. Sorry. Lagi namin gusto mag-live when we're together. Tas, wala na. Natatamad na kami kasi nag-enjoy na kami mag-play ng games or manood ng series. Tas, wala na. Lumipas ng oras. Diet tips po, please. Ano bang magandang tip? Ang hirap kasi, I feel like diets, just like skincare, they're very personal. So, you know what they always say na, what works for me might not work for you, blah blah blah. Pero sige, napansin ko lang na restriction doesn't really work well for me. Mas nagbe-binge eat ako kapag nire-restrict ko yung sarili ko. And also eating full meals really helped me. It really helped me manage my cravings, etc. By eating full meals, I don't count calories, so it's not really a calorie deficit. But eating full meals, I mean, you have your protein, your source of protein, your source of fiber, and your carbs. Also, I now eat, actually ilang months na rin, shirataki rice. I'm sure you've heard about it. It's all over the internet. But I think it's working for me. I really like it. Alam ko medyo pricey siya, but to me, sobrang tipid niya kasi kalahating cup lang, busog na ako at sobrang dali niyang lutuin. I get my shirataki rice from Body by Al's kasi sa kanila yung pinaka-best na dry shirataki rice. Best quality ng rice. Dito ko siya binibili. Body by Al's. Siya lang yung trusted ko sa shirataki rice. Dati kaya kong umubos ng 1 cup noon, and it's guilt-free. There's no problem with you finishing a cup of shirataki rice. Pero ngayon, like half cup na lang. But you know, honestly, there's no problem with even finishing a cup of normal rice. You know? And it really helped me when I started viewing food as something I need for my nutrition rather than my enemy. I don't know if that makes sense. But yeah. Nag-workout ka din. Yes, also of course, I work out. I really work out. Almost every day. I work out at Sparta. It's the gym that really worked for me. I've tried so many things. Ano pong tinitinda nyo? Wala. Is Beth the cat still there? Of course. Of course she is. My baby girl. She comes and goes whenever she pleases. Whenever she misses me. Hindi ko na siya pinupuntahan palagi kasi pupunta naman siya sa akin. Drinks. For drinks, I really like Lux Slim. And hindi dahil endorsement ko siya, okay? But kasi, you know, juice and for me, I drink Lux Slim kasi mababa lang yung sugar content niya. And it's really good. Nasasatisfy din naman yung sweet cravings ko pag nainim ko siya. feeling ko, okay, this is legit juice and masarap siya. Nag-workout ka na pero di ka pa rin makatulog. I'm telling you, iba na, ibang level na to. Like, it's crazy. If you don't mind me asking what? What? Can you show the flowers again? What flowers? This one? This is soap, by the way. If I'm not mistaken. This was a gift to me by such a talented fan. Ginawa niya to. I believe it's soap. Or candle. Sorry, I think candle. Candle pala. Medyo malagkit na siya. Ang tagal na niya sa akin kasi. How was your day? My day was great. My day was really chill. I went to sleep therapy in the morning. In the afternoon, nag-alaga ako ng pamangkin. Naging babysitter ako today. Iniwan siya sa amin. This is so cute. Oh my God, that Cory but is so cute. Iniwan siya sa amin ng ate ko. Pinatulog ko siya. And I feel so proud. Nakapagpatulog ako ng bata. Kinantahan ko siya. Ang saya-saya. Tapos nakatulog siya. Very fulfilling, no? And then, yun na, I got ready and I went to PBB. Why do you like Marian so much? First of all, Marimar kasi is the show na talagang sinubaybayan ko with my mom. We watch it every day. Ilang taon pa lang ako noon, hindi ko na maalala, but talagang pinanood ko siya. Walang sawa. I was attached. I was hooked. And her beauty, for me, it's just so otherworldly. Like, wow, nobody looks like this woman. She's so gorgeous. And sobrang gusto ko siya kasi napakatotoo niyang tao. Hindi kami close ha. Hindi kami close. But from what I've seen and from my encounters with her and sa mga nakita ko lang na videos niya before, totoo siya. I like her. I really like her. Sana maging okay na ang sleeping habit mo. I'm hoping. I'm hopeful. And I believe magiging okay naman. Stay blessed. Thank you. You too. Us too. Everyone. Everyone. Do you want to work with her? Of course. Of course, it would be a dream come true to work with Miss Marian Rivera. Take me wait lang guys ha, wait lang. Ang ganda mo watching from Marikina. Thank you, Cherry. Bakit bald na si Blush? Nagkaroon siya ng parang rashes. So, ang hirap kasing gamutin kapag ang daming buhok, syempre. So, tinanggal na lang namin para maginhawaan din siya. Have you ever felt tired of waking up early for work? Of course. I'm not a morning person, not in the slightest. So yeah, I don't like waking up early for work or for whatever. Wait lang. Kailangan ko lang good night. Yahoo! Tari may pag-good night, syempre. Dapat. Love interest mo ba sa Mujige si Kim Jisoo? Hindi po. Wala po akong love interest in the movie. Ba't ka nakangiti? Wala lang. Bawal ba? Good night sa mga matutulog na. 11:30 na pala. Late na. It's quite late. Ay, Doja. Doja Gwal. Hello, Doja Gwal. Meow. Hi, Doja. Ah. Doja. Doja. How are you, Doja Gwal? No, Doja. Doja. Doja, Doja. Sing, Doja. Doja, sing. Para may silbi ka naman sa bahay na ito pa kakain. Sing, Doja. Ari ko nangagat, bastos. Bastos ka talaga. Ikaw, Doja, pinulot lang kita. Charot. I love Doja. But she's a mini panini. She's an ungrateful cat. Parang hindi ko siya ni-rescue. Pinupuyat ko na ba kayo? Sleep na ba? Sige. Adopted a cat last week but my dogs hate her. Oh no. Did you introduce them slowly? Like, you know, keep her in a little room by herself? Like, not directly just showing the dogs to her. Like, may tamang way kasi ng pag-introduce. And I will admit, I did not do that to my pets. That's why they hate each other. But, you know, they learn to coexist. But if the cat is really tiny, I suggest keep mo muna. And if i-introduce mo sa kanila, be there. Make sure that you're there in the room, facilitating everything. What's my makeup remover? Sometimes I use makeup removing wipes. But my favorite makeup remover is from Vanilla Co. It's the Clean It Zero. Di ko alam kung oil ba siya or it's a cleansing balm. Ilang bata pa lang ako, yun na yung gamit ko. Forever and ever. Anong ginawa niyo sa face pampapayat? Help your chubby cheeks girly. Okay. So, because I also lost some weight overall, I'm sure may nabawas naman din sa face ko. Pero, I went to Bello and I did V-Contour Ultra. It's their new treatment na si Ate Kim yung parang model or the face of the treatment. So, it's V-Contour Ultra. I did it every 2 weeks, 4 sessions. 4 sessions every 2 weeks. And ang laki ng pinagbago ng face ko talaga. Kasi nakita ko talaga na lumiit siya. But yeah, I did that. V-Contour Ultra sa Bello. Recommend. Super recommend. Super worth it. Manonood ka po concert ng 21. May concert sila? Promise ba? May concert sila? Slay. I'm turning 20 in a few minutes. Greet me. Happy birthday! Loves kimbap? Kimbap la food? I love kimbap. Is it kimbap or gimbap? I'm confused. But whatever it is, I love it. Tulog na ako. Di mo naman sinasagot ang tanong mo. Nagtampo ka naman agad. Ano bang tanong mo? Da da da, out in California. Da 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 da. Dun dun.
Sinong nakapikit dyan sa mga kinaun? Sinong nakapikit? Sinong nakakapit? Sinong nakakapit?
Happy looks good on you. Thank you. Super happy. By the way, guys, I have a new song coming out really soon. August 2, mag-release ako ng bagong kanta called Kung Naging Tayo. Title pa lang masakit na. Pero TikTok live din ako para salubungin yon sa August 1. So, I'll post about it again kasi baka makalimutan nyo. But yeah, nakalimutan ko na nga eh. May ilalabas pala akong bagong kanta, no? Get on ready. Alright, fine. Sobrang nanghihinayang ako kasi talaga tanggalin to. Ganda-ganda. Galing pang Korea. Pero sige, I'll try to remove it slowly. Fragile daw kasi. Ay, dikit na dikit siya dahil parang pati mata ko matatanggal. It's alive! Yes, buo pa siya. Tatry ko itong gamitin ulit. Kahit di ako marunong magkabit ng eyelashes. Okay. Ang laking difference, oh. Yay. I gonna keep that. I gonna try to reuse that. And now, I'll remove my contact lens. But, I will not show you because some people don't like seeing people touching the eyes. Di ko matanggal. Di ko matanggal yung isa. Wait lang. What the heck? Hindi ko matanggal. Hindi ko matanggal yung isa. Haba na kasi nung kuko ko eh. Wait a minute. Di ko siya matanggal. Wait lang. I think kailangan ko nang tumingin sa salamin talaga. Alexa, can you say hi for me? Hi, Saranghe. This looks weird right now because I have only one eye with color. But wait, I will try to remove it. Hold on, cause I need to look into a mirror talaga. Hold on. You might not want to see this because it's touching the eyes. Natanggal ko siya. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Okay, and then, do you want me to use a makeup wipe or like go straight to my cleansing balm? Well, let me know. Ay, naimpake ko na. Naimpake ko na yung cleansing balm ko. I'm gonna use a different one na lang. Cleansing balm. I'm so sorry. Naimpake ko na pala yung cleansing balm ko. I'm gonna go into lock-in in a couple days. So, naka-impake na yung favorite kong cleansing balm. But I have another one. This one is from Issy. And gamit na gamit ko rin naman siya. It's also really, really good. So, if you need another option, this is really good too. But, I will just tie my hair. Okay, hold on. Alright, I'm back. So we are going to just get the hair out of the way. Alright. And then we are going to just clamp it right there. Hala, hindi ko nabalik yung hikaw. Oh no. Hindi ko nabalik sa stylist ko yung hikaw. Anyway, so again, this is the Issy cleansing balm. Really good too. And now you're gonna see me turn into, I don't know, a creature of the night. Paano kung maghihilamos pala dito, no? Paano kung hawakan yung cellphone? Eh, may sabon na ako sa kamay. I didn't think this through. I should have done this in the bathroom. Anyway. Goodbye, gorgeous kilay. Goodbye. I will just use one hand na lang para may malinis akong kamay. May fish bowl, pero walang fish. Kami na lang hawak ng phone mo. Thank you for offering help. Good night, Sarang Hey. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. So, ayan. I like cleansing balms because ewan ko, naaliw ako when I see the makeup melt away. Case from, ang dumi na nga ng case ko. Sorry na, ang dumi na niya. But I really like it. It's from The Hub Cebu. Kita mga case nila, sobra. Pero ang dumi na niya kasi lagi ko talaga siyang ginagamit. I like to work in sections. Oh, say goodbye to my big lips. Say goodbye to my luscious lips. I'm so sad. Goodbye, luscious lips. You will be missed. No! It's gone. It's gone. And now it's white. One good night, Lex, matutulog na ako. Bakit gusto kong matulog ka? Eh di, aalis ka na dito. Char, good night. Sobrang dry ng lips ko ngayon because my old bad habit has returned. I've been picking my lips again. It's a bad habit, but yeah. So I'm trying to stop that again. Pag sa under eyes, sobrang, dahan-dahan lang. Ayokong i-rub. Ay, I need more. More makeup remover. Goodbye, kilay. It was good while it lasted. So, yan ang totoo kong kilay. It's not as up or like it's not as laminated. Goodbye. Okay, dahan-dahan lang sa under eyes. What makeup remover? This is the Issey cleansing butter. Dahan-dahan lang. Oh. Oh. Where's Katie? He's at home. He is sleeping. Kasi maaga pa siya bukas. Wala na. Bye-bye. Tanggal tayo eyeshadow. Tanggal tayo eyeshadow. Yan na, wala na. So, yung mascara na lang. I'm not rubbing my eyes ha, just the lashes. Tatanggal na siya. Ayan na, nagiging panda na ako. Woohoo! Boobs, black. Parang walang pinagkaiba, ha? Maganda po ako kanina. Ngayon, panda na. Okay, then we're gonna wash this off. Goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. You were bigger than the whole sky. Okay, now you're gonna come with me. We're gonna wash this off. Cause I can't leave you here, right? Hi, Blush. We're gonna wash this off. Hey, slay. This is not a good look. Hold up. I don't know kung paano ko maghihilamos ng may hawak na camera, but I am going to try. I'm going to do my very, very best. Hold on, okay. Wait lang. Ang hirap na maghilamos ng isang kamay lang. Ah, sarap. I think nagkakalat na ako ng tubig. Slay. Ang ganda ba? Okay. I believe that is all. So, ayan. Yan ang eye bags na sinabi niyong wala. Meron. Okay. May mascara residue pa. So, kailangan ko siyang daanan ulit na eye makeup remover kasi may glue pa na natira. Glue ng false eyelashes. There. That is everything. Pero may natira pang glue sa mata. So, magtatanggal lang ulit ako. Hala, nasira. Hold on, itatayo ko na kayo. Hold on. Just hold on. Please, huwag ka malaglag. Slay. Sira yung nalagyanan ko. Sayang naman yung bulang. Wait. I will push it down. Let's hope it works. Yay! Ay, sira. Bastos. Sayang naman yung bulang. Okay. And then next, I will use this. This is, paubos na. Ba't parang tabingi nose mo? Hindi ko din alam. Tabingi ba? Wala. Ewan ko. This is rice water, an eye makeup remover. Gantong eye makeup remover lang kasi ang pwede pag nagpapa-eyelash extensions. And it's very gentle sa eyes. So I like it. But I will put a little and just gently rub it around the eyelashes only, okay, not on the eyes. Ayan o, tatanggal. Wala, tatanggal na siya. Ang dami pa pala, oh. Diba? Usually, hindi naman doon natatapos ang pagtanggal ng makeup. I wash my face again with a facial wash naman, not a makeup remover. But yeah, maybe later. Ang hirap pala magtanggal ng maghilamos ng isang kamay lang. There. So that's the eye bags. You see it intense. And napaso ako ng curling iron. Ang galing ko, di ba? Fit check. Pangit suot ko. Huwag na. Wala lang ito. Sorry, nananalamin na ako sa inyo. Sarap. Kanta ka po. Paano? Habang nagtatanggal ng makeup remover. Habang nagtatanggal ng makeup, I mean. Yan. Dumi, oh. Grabing kadumihan. Ayan. Better na. Tapos pag naghilamos ako ulit later, siguro naman tanggal na lahat nun. Slay! Much better. Alright, let's go. Let's go back. Let's go back to the table. Parang may mascara pa din konti. Yay! Yay! There. Diba may bulak pang naiwan? Hindi naman clear skin. I have got stuff too. And there, I think I need to cover this. Nakakahiya. I'll be back. Hold on. Okay. Nag-lip balm lang ako. Ang itim ng mata ko. Super duper. Do you use peach or orange corrector? I think peach. Anong oras na? 12 na. OMG. I think it's time to sleep, you guys. 12 na. Grabe ang taas pa ng energy ko. Okay, matulog na kayong lahat. Good night. Good night, everyone. Sleep na kayo. Sleep na kayo. Magla-live ako ulit sa August 1. Okay? Mga gantong oras din. So, hindi nyo ako kailangan ma-miss. Basta balik kayo ng August 1. Good night, guys. Sleep na kayo. Manonood pa ako ng Law and Order. Bye, Doja. Doja, Doja. Doja. Galit ka na naman. Good night from me and my freckles. Good night, good night, good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Good night. Thank you so much for joining me tonight. So, August 1 ulit.